Hey everyone, ever wondered what happens to that delicious burger after you take a bite? Today, I'm breaking down the human digestive system in just 3 minutes. First up, let's talk about the basics. The human digestive system is a marvelous machine, turning food into energy. On average, humans consume between 1 to 2.7 kilograms of food daily. That's over 28,800 kilograms in a lifetime. Now that's a lot of munching. The digestive system itself is about 9 meters long and involves 10 organs and 20 specialized cell types. It's divided into 4 main components: the gastrointestinal tract, accessory organs, the circulatory and regulatory systems, and the mesentery. The GI tract is basically a twisting highway for food, with a surface area of 40 square meters. Then we've got the accessory organs like the pancreas, gallbladder, and liver, which produce those all-important digestive juices. The circulatory and regulatory systems coordinate enzymes, hormones, nerves, and blood to manage and transport nutrients. And finally, the mesentery is a tissue that keeps everything in your belly neatly organized. Now let's follow the food's journey. Digestion kicks off in the mouth. Even before you take a bite, your saliva starts flowing, about 1.5 liters of it daily, to begin breaking down starch. Chewing forms a bolus, which is just a fancy word for the food ball you swallow. Once swallowed, the bolus travels down the esophagus thanks to a process called peristalsis, a series of muscle contractions that push the food to the stomach. In the stomach, the bolus gets a good workout. Muscular contractions mix it up with acids and enzymes, breaking down proteins. Next stop, the small intestine, specifically the duodenum. Here, bile from the liver gets to work digesting fats, while pancreatic and intestinal juices break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates even further. The small intestine's jejunum and ileum sections are up next, where tiny finger-like projections called villi absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. The remaining waste heads to the large intestine or colon. Here, water is absorbed, and what's left is transformed into stool. Finally, the stool is stored in the rectum and is expelled through the anus. And there you have it. From the first bite to the final flush, the entire digestion process takes about 30 hours. Pretty incredible, right? So next time you enjoy a meal, you'll know exactly what's happening inside your body. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fascinating insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those digestive juices flowing.